Good day everyone, welcome to Cardboard Fashion. Today I'll be showing us how to cut trouser. First we'll be taking the full length of the trouser. You minus half inch, so we leave the English mouth. So you take the full length of the trouser, then you chalk it. Then after you chalk it, you take the from the waist to the crotch, you chalk it. Then next you go on the knee length. When you get your knee length, you chalk it too. My knee length, I get it mostly from my full length divided by 2. Then you'll be drawing a straight line on those measurements. So after that, you take your waist measurement divided by 4. Anything you have, you chalk it. Then you come down to your thigh, your crotch length. You mark the same thing you have on your waist. You mark it there. Then you draw a straight line on it. Then for the thigh, as is for small lady, I will add 2 inch. For the thigh, I'll add 2 inch. Then you go down to your knee length and take your knee round. Your knee round divide by 2. Anything you have, you place it on the table. Then you go down to your ankle and divide your ankle measurement divide by 2. Anything you have, you still chalk it there. Then you come back to your crotch. Your crotch measurement divide by 2. Anything you have, you draw a line. You divide it by 2. You draw a line there. Then that line, you will connect it from that point to your crotch point using any curve. Me, I'm using French curve. You can use your freehand curve, but just curve it, just like I'm doing like this. So after that, you go down to connect your crotch to your knee, your thigh to your knee, then from your knee to your ankle. So like this now is looking like a trouser already. This is how to cut the front of a trouser. You go on and cut it. Then after cutting, I will mark out the inner of the fabric. I will still be folding the fabric by 2 to cut the back. I will just place the front on the fabric and sketch out the back. After placing it, I trim out the excess part remaining at the crotch side, the crotch space. Then I trim it. So I added 2 inch from the waist going out. I added 2 inch there for the back. I added 2 inch because of the hip. And if you notice, at the crotch side, I cut the crotch. I cut it up with 1.5 inch. Then going down, I'll be adding the 2 inch downward. So this is the 1 inch I'm talking about, this crotch side. So you slant it down to the waist. After that, you go on to cut the 2 inch you added at the back. Unfortunately, they took the light, so you just cut it like that and cut the slant. That's how to cut the back. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more.